Hey, good morning again, Mark Yagi, and I just put out a video about a proposed Palantir trade that I'm actually going to do right now live. So I want to just show you real quick what I'm doing. First of all, Palantir, I showed you on a different chart, is making an interesting entry point. I can't really quite see it. Yeah, pretty close. So we've got a break above this this little level here, and above the 50-day moving average. So we've made it kind of an island top, which I don't love, but we have a gap up, and now we're above the 50-day moving average. The stock is down about $3 this morning, but still it's above the 50-day moving average. So I'm looking at entering this stock right now. Now, what I'm looking to do is enter it on a leap position. So I'm going to buy some leaps because I can get some leverage on the leaps, and I'm going to be really conservative on the actual play. So I'm going to do an in-the-money strategy. I'm going to show you how it works. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one right here. By the way, just let me show you what I'm doing. Is I'm buying the 90 delta, okay, that expires in October, and the extrinsic value, the juice that I'm paying, and I want you to remember this number, is $4.98. Okay, that's what I'm paying to buy an option that's a 90 delta that goes out to October 17th. Here's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and buy it. I could do a spread trade and all that stuff, but I'm just going to buy it. Now, how many am I going to buy? Well, what I was going to do is buy 1,000 shares. That's roughly $95,000, but I'm going to use a leap instead. And so when I use the leap, I'm going to buy, and this says buy here. If I can expand it, I don't need to expand it. It says buy, right? Buy, and I want to do the Palantir 55 calls that expire in October. I'm going to go at the market and get that fill. Okay, so now I'm going to check my order, and I see that I've got 30 contracts in there. They're 184 days out. I've spent, this is my extrinsic value column, which is my juice column. I spent, not got, $4.60 basically per share, okay? Now, let's go put the options against it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to next week. We only have 1 day left this week, so I'm going to go to the end of next week, which gives me 9 days, about 7 trading days. And I'm going to go up here where I see, the stock right now at 95.44, and I see that we're going to be able to go deep. Now, I want to go below the 50-day moving average is one of the targets that I'm setting. But I also want to be able to get some good juice, and this is my juice column. So I want you to just notice something. If I go down to the 91s, which is probably what I'm looking at doing here, maybe it's $281 a contract, and it's 116% return on the covered call itself. But since I'm doing, covering the leaps or the far out deep in the money calls, it's 117% on the screen. So I can afford to be deeper in the money, and deeper is safer. Deeper is safer, okay? And so I make my maximum amount of profit above 91. And you know what my maximum amount of profit is? It's the juice. That's all I care about. Palantir could go to $1 billion, and I'm only going to make this, whatever you see on the screen, this 293 on the screen. That's cool. That's what I want. That's, that gets you a, pretty good percent return over the course of a year just on the stock. The leaps are a lot more than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this 91. I'm doing the 91s, and I'm going to sell 30 of these of the 25th of April, the 91 calls. I'm just going to do it at the market. And there's my fill. Now let's make sure that everything is copacetic in the account. We go to Palantir, and we see here that Palantir, there we go. It's hard to see. Let me click off it. Maybe we can get a better, there we go. So we own 30 of the Palantir at 45 bucks or so, 45.44 is what we paid for them. And against it, we got 720. Okay. Now, why is it so much higher than that extrinsic value that I was talking about? Well, that's about $3 a share and $4 of in the money amount, which means that the stock could drop $4 from here, and I won't lose any money on the trade on the in the money amount. Plus, I'm giving myself another $3 of cushion in juice. That's income in juice. So this stock could really drop down $7.20 to $88, and that's where I break even. Okay? So my goal, just so you know, and my trading plan is to be in the money certainly as long as the market is red, and cushion myself to the downside, because red markets mean stocks have a tendency of going down. So my goal is to make this amount of money. Now, I did 30 contracts at about $3 a contract. That's $9,000. So $30, it's a $9,000 trade for the week. Now, I have some juice that I paid, some extrinsic value that I paid on the option, but you could see in 1 week I made back 3 out of the 495 or whatever the number was I told you to remember. So, it's essentially paying back that extrinsic value that I paid for the base. And on the top side, I'm picking up, $3.03 or $3,035 per contract times 30 contracts. Pretty good. All right, so that's the way that trade is shaping up. I'll probably start a playlist, and if we get lucky and get a green market here, we might be in a good one here on Palantir. Don't follow me, just learn from what I'm doing. Try to understand what I'm doing. And if you have some comments, as long as they're constructive comments, put them in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you haven't, and share this with your friends if you haven't.
Hi, Mark Yagi here, wealth architect and author of this book on my covered call investing system called the Cash Flow Machine. Listen, what you just saw is just one part of creating reliable income of 2 to 4% a month from the stock market. But if it were that easy, then everyone would do it, right? If you want to learn how I create investment income the right way, then you need to learn and have a system with rules and what-if strategies so that you can learn what I do when the market goes against me, what I do when the stock goes against me, how to adjust my trade so that it's always in a winning position, how much to risk, how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio that creates income of $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 a month in semi-passive income. And best of all, the whole cash flow machine system takes less than an hour a week to implement. Just go to cashflowmachine.io to learn more, or click this link for more videos, masterclasses, and free resources. See you there.
Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.